Hey, what's up guys? I just want to take a little clip before I actually jumped into the video and just once again thank you guys for all the support for my fight coming up September 12th. I'm truly grateful. For those of you watching this video, if you would like to see a more extended version, maybe where I cover a couple days so you have more than just like one sample meal, please leave in the comments. Like I absolutely will. Just let me know. Also, on top of that, if you have any video things that you want me to cover, any topics or anything, feel free to leave it in the comments and just let me know. I'm gonna do probably a weekly talk episode too. I'll probably live stream like a podcast type deal with some friends and stuff. But I also want to do some videos just where I talk, let's say on like mentality or diet or just any topics that you guys are curious about. You know, comment below and just leave it for me so I have something to talk about. Thank you guys. Let's jump into the video. What's up guys, Jeremy here. I told you guys I was going to do a what I eat in a day video, so here we are to do it. This one will be the training camp edition. Obviously this is what I eat to lose weight. Every day differs, but like I said, the macros kind of stay the same, so it'll still be a good look. I went ahead and got all my stuff out before my wife cooks it, just so you could kind of see what all goes into this today, because the finished product isn't going to look like much. It's just going to be real small. I have, I believe, 2 eggs, 3 egg whites, don't quote me on that, some power cake mix, a banana, and I'm going to top it off with some almond butter. So it'll be good protein, good source of protein, good source of energy, carbs from the banana. And obviously it tastes amazing. Nobody can complain about losing weight with power protein pancakes. So let's get cooking. Alright guys, there is the final product of my breakfast. I've got my banana, my pancake, I've got my vitamins I take every morning. I've got 3 fish oil, probiotic, turmeric, 1 a day, and a vitamin D3. And I actually looked up the macros. This is about 490 calories, I believe, maybe less, with about 28 grams of protein, 50 grams of carbs, and around 20 grams of fat. So it'll keep me full for a while, give me good energy through my workout. I'm going to eat this, drink a cup of coffee, some water, and go do my Wednesday strength and conditioning. I have a pretty hard session, so this should get me through it. Alright guys, just finished my strength and conditioning and sprints. Had a pretty good push this morning. Not a long workout, but a hard workout. So, we had breakfast earlier, and now it's time for us to replenish a little bit. We're going to go home, we're going to have some lunch. I'll show you that when we get there, but right now I've got my recovery drink. Break down what's inside of it in a minute. Got my water. I'm currently crushing 1.25 gallons a day. That'll go up once I get closer for water loading, and luckily nothing like the best feeling in the world, which is having some coffee left after you train. Normally I drink all my coffee before I train, and then I get done training, I'm nice and tired, whatever, get my recovery drinks and stuff, and they help a lot, but I like having coffee, so there's no better feeling in the world than having some extra coffee left for after my workout. But back to this shake that my awesome nutritionist hooked me up with. In this one I have 2 cups of chopped pineapple, I believe 10 grams of whey protein, and like 7 grams of BCAAs. My protein carries some BCAAs in it. I use whey bolic, I believe, and from GNC, and then I add a couple of BCAAs. I use the Beyond Raw lit ones, and they taste pretty good. That's really the only reason I use them, nothing special. The protein I use because it has super low calories for the amount of stuff it has, like I said, and it has some BCAAs in it. So it's just going to be a quick recovery drink. Normally I'd have a banana with it, but I didn't have a banana, and apparently the 3 gas stations I stopped at on my way to the gym didn't either. So I'll have to go home, get a banana, eat that, and then I'll eat my lunch, and I'll see you guys in. Peace. Alright guys, it's time for lunch. About to go back, teach a couple lessons, teach kids class, do jiu-jitsu, and then wrestling practice. We got a lot to go, so let's get into what I ate for lunch. I got 2 cups of spinach. I got a big burrito wrap, pretty big one, with 6 ounces of steak, some tomatoes, 22 cashews, and some yogurt, all natural yogurt. I looked up the macros. This is around 546 calories. Should be about 50 grams of protein, 40 grams of carbs, and about 20 grams of fat. And actually moving on over to my snack, which will be a tomato, some chicken breast, and I actually have 8 cashews that'll go with that as well. So yeah, pretty packed day. So I'll eat this lunch, which looks delicious. I'll show you again. Go train. Between sessions, or either that or right before, depending on how I'm feeling, I'll eat my snack, and then I'll come home and I'll eat dinner. So I'll see you guys at dinner. Alright guys, so I'm back. Just taught kids class, and then did jiu-jitsu class, and then did some wrestling. And it's a very rare day because normally my my snack never makes it to the end of the day with me, but now I get my snack, which is chicken. It looks like a piece of spinach snuck in there with some tomatoes and some cashews. And while I'm at it, I get my recovery shake at the same time, which is normally, like I said, normally I'd be getting my shake right now and I'd already ate my lunch, but no biggie. Got 10 more grams of protein, half a cup of pineapple this time, and my BCAAs. So about to crush this meal, head home, shower, and I'm gonna go live on Twitch tonight for the first time, so I'll be sure to post a link to my Twitch in my bio, even though I won't be live at the same time tonight. And I'll see you guys when I get home for dinner. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm here with the last meal of the day, my dinner. I will have a protein shake after this, so nothing real special or anything, just 10 grams of whey protein. But let's get into what I'm having for dinner. So I'm having tilapia, asparagus, peppers, and white jasmine rice, and I was supposed to have cottage cheese, but I actually didn't have any, so I substituted for a lower amount of cheddar cheese, so I put it on my rice, so it probably tastes pretty good. So I'm gonna eat this, get ready to go live on Twitch. I'll see you guys on Twitch, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. So see you guys.